Hello and welcome back to another Bear Plant video. This is where we show you stuff for hire, product reviews and everything in between. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with everything we have going on. So today we want to show you this Roto 10-ton log splitter we have available here. So this is an Oxdale log splitter. It's an RT400, petrol driven, hydraulic 10-ton log splitter. Got a little Honda engine on it. Lovely wide platform, holding all the wood, single blade, hydraulic ram, really simple to use. And this thing has split probably thousands of tons of wood since we have had it here. Amazing bit of kit. Very simple to start. Down here we have the ignition switch, simple choke, give it a pull. So once you're finished with the log splitter, you can pull the clip and the pin out of the levelling bar, fold the log splitter down into transport position, then put the pin back in again, secure, ready to transport to your next location.